Peace everyone, my name is Diamond and I want to teach you how to use the Sensory Resonance Kit. So this is a tuning fork kit and I love it because it really helps me to de-stress and move any tension or blockages out of my body. And so let's just say you just opened this kit and you really don't know what to do. So I'm going to show you how to actually work with the tuning forks and be able to place them on the different therapeutic acupuncture points on the body. So let's take this first weighted tuning fork. So your kit is going to come with 4 forks. You're going to have 2 that are weighted tuning forks. You have the auto and the ohm. And then we're going to have 2 tuning forks that are not weighted. You have your yin and you have your yang tuning fork. And here with the weighted tuning fork, you just want to strike it here. Do a nice little strike. Make sure you incorporate the weight at the top. Just strike the weight very gently. And then you'll feel the vibration move throughout the entire tuning fork. And so before I even place this tuning fork on the body, sometimes I like to meditate and just get a good sense of where there might be some stress, some tension, some tightening in my body. I'm going to do a body scan. I'm going to bring my awareness from my feet rising all the way to my crown. And for me, I can feel some tension over in my head space. I do a lot of energy work, and sometimes after moving so much energy, I can get a bit of headaches. There's a little pressure here. So I want to go ahead and strike this tuning fork and place it right in the middle here. And take a deep breath in and take a deep breath out. And I repeat it. Put it right here as well. Good. And so then another place I like to place it is right here. This is another acupressure point that is really good for moving tension and stress out the body. So you can also strike and place it right here. Beautiful. And I can feel this move throughout my entire arm. It goes all the way up my arm. Also, I might try the different one, the ohm. Put it right here. Oh, it feels so wonderful. And when you do this, you just want to take some deep breaths in, right? You just want to take some good inhale and exhales. And also, here we have the yin and here we have the yang. And you can sit it down like this and just move them across the head space here. Oh, that sounds heavenly. It's beautiful. Just strike. Just breathe. Oh, I can feel my energy rising already. My elevation, the frequency rising. I love it. Just clear that energy field. You can even wash yourself down. Visualize the heaviness, any pressures, anything weighing on you, just leave in the body. So, and just do like a body scan to just wash it down. A lot of times we do this with our hands where we can visualize just white light coming down from the crown and washing down the body, pulling out any heaviness, any dense or dark energies and giving it to the earth. But if you combine it with these, send it all the way down. That is some powerful work, y'all. That is some powerful work. So try these tuning forks whenever you want to de-stress, whenever you want to help some blood circulation, whenever you need to clear out your chakras. You can also place your weighted tuning forks on your chakras as well as you visualize them opening up. I'm in the heart, I'm on the throat, I'm on the third eye, I'm on the crown. Think about that when you choose this resonance kit because it is really, really great to help enhance your meditation as you are sending vibrations throughout the body. So I hope you enjoy this kit and thank you for spending some time with me to go over the Sensory Resonance Kit.